I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the device so changes apply immediately. Make sure your iPhone or iPad is updated. Once done, unlock it and open the app where you want the navigation bar. Next, go to Settings and locate the General or the App-Specific section. This is where toggles live. You want quick access to gestures and button options so you can enable the navigation bar or related features without restarting. Once completed, move directly to Customizing controls inside the app. Now you'll configure how the bar behaves. In Settings or the Apps interface, enable the bottom bar, gestures, or the home indicator options. This changes how you navigate. Reorder icons by long pressing and dragging them into positions you use most. This saves time. Also, assign tap versus long press behaviors for secondary actions so you don't trigger things accidentally. Once you finish arranging, test a few gestures and taps to confirm responsiveness and adjust sensitivity if needed. Finish by running a complete navigation flow. Open screens, use the bar to move between sections, and close the app. If something behaves oddly, first restart the app and retest. Make sure the toggles remain enabled. If icons vanish or gestures fail, toggle the navigation bar option off and back on, then restart the device. As a deeper fix, reset the app's interface settings before reinstalling. This preserves data while restoring UI defaults. If problems persist, contact support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.